Once upon a time, there was a robot. There's the robot. And two princesses. Very nice. And a pig.
Mommy.
There's the pig. Okay. They all wanted to go on an adventure to... That's right. They traveled to the ocean where they met a mermaid. That's right. Let's see the mermaid. There she is.
Are you going to Storytime Castle? Yes.
What did they say? Are they going to Storytime Castle?
Yes.
Great. Everybody's excited about going to Storytime Castle. What did the mermaid say? She said that she...
I always want to go to Storytime Castle.
All of a sudden... A great big dragon appeared. Can the dragon turn towards the camera? Oh, there it is. There's the dragon. The dragon.
So you are going to Storytime Castle.
I can take you there.
Take you there. But one of the princesses has to ride on my back.
I'll ride on your back.
Okay. The second princess rode on a parrot. Where did the parrot go? Who's got the parrot? Okay, can't find the parrot. The robot rode on a giant rabbit. Where'd the giant rabbit go? I think it's on the couch, Isaac. Anna, it's not time for the snake yet. Alright, find the giant rabbit. There it is. Got it? Isaac, it's the blue rabbit right next to you. Right there. There it is. The robot rode on the rabbit and the pig rode on a mouse. That poor mouse. When they arrived at Storytime Castle, they talked with the mermaid. The mermaid's name was...
Alina.
Right, and her shark's name was... Ariel, that's right. They wanted to see all the animals at Isaac's show. The snake at the show went... Shake, 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 shake. The bird went... The dancers had ribbons and did ballet. That's right. Isaac and Caroline and Anna did tap dance. Nice tap dancing. At the end of the show, a bunch of balloons fell down. The two princesses, the robot, the pig, and the mermaid had a great time and lived happily ever after. The end.